Namaste, Parvatisham here again to talk to you about spirituality and meditation from the ancient times. I'm here to give you a small recap again about what we had talked in the last video. We knew 10,000 years back that the earth was round and that the earth was moving, and without any physical instruments or telescope, we knew that the 15th brightest object in the space, which is called as Antares, the red star, that is Mars, was the biggest star object which we knew in the space, and that it was 40,000 times bigger than the sun. We also knew that one of the stars in the constellation of stars, that is the Great Bear, was not a single star, it was a twin star. Again, no instruments, no physical instruments, no telescope. We knew that this particular star was not a single star, it was a twin star. And we called it Arundhati Vashishta. And that we also knew that unlike all twin stars, it used to move in this fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, we also talked a bit about metallurgy. We talked about the rust-proof iron pillars built 1,000 years back and 2,400 years back, and all the pollution or the rain has not even created a strain of rust on the pillars. Lot more can be said. I would like to bring out one other example, that for 4,000 years, we were the only people who knew the secret and the process of taking zinc from zinc ore. There were no scientists that time. The aboriginals of that place found a method by removing zinc from zinc ore, because you should all know that at 997 degrees zinc ore, the zinc becomes liquid, and in 1,000 degrees the zinc becomes gas. So there were only 3 degrees window, and this window we had to collect zinc, and throughout the world there was no know-how how to collect, but we knew it. What we did is, instead of keeping the furnace and burning the fire down, we reversed the furnace and put the fire on top with the zinc ore inside, and we put an ice bath underneath, where as the zinc ore melted and zinc came out, it went to the ice bath and got collected as zinc, and we could separate zinc thus from zinc ore. But then some Chinese person stole it from us, and then from the Chinese the Britishers sold. I vaguely remember the name. I think it was William Champion, who built the first distillery in England in 1543. Till then, if you wanted zinc, you should come to us. Lot more can be said. We had the biggest ship, much bigger, 12 times, 10 times bigger ships than what Vasco da Gama had when he tried to come to India. That means we knew the know-how of shipbuilding also. Ladies and gentlemen, again I stress that seeking the you in you and culturing the you in you through spirituality and meditation would lead to many, many more things. The pandemic situation has given us the opportunity and told us, look, you have the time, you have the energy, please develop yourself both spiritually and through meditation. You can understand a lot of things of a situation that is in your head. By just meditating, you will be able to, of course, you need considerable years of spirituality and practice of meditation, but you will be able to look into any given particular situation and look how you can resolve the situation or how you could handle the situation. A lot of people ask me, can you meditate for others? I say yes. We can meditate for the welfare of others, not for the downfall of others. We can easily make the other person through meditation and spirituality understand certain do's and don'ts. I want to tell you one more thing, that meditation is not what you call not an activity. It is a quality. You know, in every Shiva temple there is a Nandi sitting and facing the linga. It is just sitting and waiting. It is very alert. It is not anxious. It is not expecting anything, but it knows one day Shiva will come. That is the quality of meditation. People have, after seeing my videos, asked me how I should do meditation, how they can take the process of meditation forward. Yes, it is a very difficult exercise for me to explain through a video, but let me tell you one thing, that meditation can be done by one and all. Again, there is no religious tag attached to it. Absolutely no religious tag. Your religion is your own. My religion is my own. But meditation and spirituality can be practiced by one and all. Ladies and gentlemen, please understand that I am not asking you to do something totally out of the way. Yes, I told you in my earlier videos that early morning hours, the wee hours of the morning is the best time for meditation. It is the best time for meditation. If ever you can do it, even for a few times and considerable number of years, if you can practice, you will be able to have a strength that is derived through spirituality and meditation. Lot more can be said, but with this, again, I repeat my usual words. Please have a heart of gratitude, heart of loving, heart of giving, heart of caring, heart of emotions, heart of generosity, and pump into it plenty of fragrance and warmth. And this will take our life, our family's life, our society's life, and the life of the world into a better position. Thank you.